after that like traumatic experience, we're up to a next traumatic experience. This is Pulparindo original. Pulparindo.
He didn't even pronounce the L, bro. It's Pulparindo, not Pulparindo, dude. Okay.
I'm sorry.
So, oh look, this one even comes with my name on it. Oh, my name's not Tim. You didn't see that. Internet privacy. Okay, so this is really cool. It's like this one thing. It comes with a bunch of other things in there. Get that out.
It's spicy, salty, and sweet.
It's really yum if you like kind of sweet and savory mixed together, like everybody who doesn't keep stuff separated on their plate. Dookie. Yeah.